In example number 5, we have to find the area of the shaded region which is given in the figure, where ABCD is the square of side 14 centimeter. So let us draw the figure for the square. So this we have a square of side 14 centimeter. And you can see in the figure in your book, there are 4 circles we are given inside this square. I am making a rough figure for this because constructing the fair figure for this will consume a lot of time. So we are making here a rough figure. So this is a square field ABCD of side 14 centimeter and 4 circles of equal radius are given in this. So we have to find the area of the shaded region which is between the square and the 4 circles. That means these areas we have to find out, this which is given in blue color in your textbook. So this shaded area we have to find out. So it is not too difficult to understand that if we find out the area of the square ABCD and we subtract the area of 4 circles from the area of the square, we get the remaining area which is our required shaded region. Okay. Now, first of all, area of square ABCD is equal to, as we know the formula, side into side square, which is equal to 14 into 14, that is 196 centimeter square, which is our first part. Now, to find the area of 4 circles, we need to know the radius of each circle. So as we can see in the figure that all the circles are touching each other without overlapping or without leaving any gap between them. So if we consider any of the 2 consecutive circles, either this 2 or this 2, so we will find that if we draw a line parallel to the square field, then we see that both the circles, as they are of equal radius, so this 14 centimeter side is divided into 2 equal parts, 7 and 7, which is working as the diameters of the circle. Okay. So in second part, diameter of each circle, which is equal to the side 14 upon 2, is 7 centimeter. So 7 centimeter is the diameter of each circle. That means radius of each circle will be equal to 7 upon 2 centimeter, half of the diameter. That means areas of 4 circles is equal to 4 into area of each circle is pi r square, that is 4 into 22 by 7 into radius is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. So we can cancel it, 7 over 7, we can cancel, and 2 also. So we get 22 into 7, it is 154 centimeter square. It is our second part. This implies area of shaded region is equal to the area of 1 minus area of 2 is equal to 196 minus 154 is equal to 6 minus 4 is 2 and 19 minus 15 is 4. So it is 42 centimeter square is the area of the shaded region.